You all might agree that we have overhauled the term content marketing in the last few years, but you fumble a little while defining it. Why? Because you get confused to figure out exactly what content marketing means. Actually, not just the definition, but many other confusions or say myths exist related to content marketing. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. Today I'm going to bust content marketing myths. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. One of the popular myths is content marketing works for some specific niches. Content marketing can surely be easier for some selected niches, but that doesn't mean that other niches cannot benefit through content marketing. Also, there can be days where you don't get the right idea, but on such days, you can take inspiration from various other brands. So just because you are facing a creator's block, that doesn't mean that you can decline the idea of content marketing. Okay, on this note, I remembered another myth that people consider blog writing as the only way of content marketing. But that's not true at all. According to Google, content marketing involves creating and sharing online material such as videos, blogs, and social media posts that does not explicitly promote a brand but is intended to stimulate interest in its products or services. I know it is a wordy definition, but I want you to focus on the first two lines that clearly states content marketing is more than just a blog. The same people who consider blogging the only way of content marketing also think that visuals are useless in blogs. Well, this myth is highly illogical. I mean, I agree that Google scans text faster and ranks them higher, but a long-form blog is also ineffective without the right visuals. Creating a relevant visual doesn't require much effort, but that boosts your content to a great extent. Another big myth is that most people believe email marketing is dead. This is a baseless myth, yet people consider it a fact. You know, there are a massive number of people who are planning content marketing strategies without including email marketing. But studies show that email marketing is still the best content marketing tactic. I know I have already told you many myths, but the list is never ending. There are much more stupid and not so stupid myths that exist. One of them is that content marketing can be fully automated. Before bursting this myth, let me quickly sum up what automation means. Automation is the use of software and tools to complete the process without any human involvement. But content marketing is not something that you can fully automate. It doesn't work on tools only. Content marketing is a creative process, and it requires the human mind to brainstorm new ideas. It takes time and hard work to create valuable content. You can use various tools to schedule or publish the content. You can also find trending ideas through tools, but completely automating content marketing is a silly myth. There's another popular myth. Quantity is more important than quality. This myth seems more of a distorted narrative. Actually, I feel some people misunderstood the expert statement and spread this myth in the market. You must be thinking, what exactly do I want to say? Nothing too big. I'm just trying to tell you that this myth is popular among beginners only. You might have read and heard how every pro marketer tells beginners to create content daily and sometimes like twice a day. That is true. When you consistently create content, you develop a bond with your audience. But people often take this statement in the wrong way. They think that creating and distributing more content will lead to better results. But the truth is, for content marketing, the quality of your content is more important than the quantity. Just one piece of high quality content can generate more traffic than hundreds of low quality pieces. So, preferring quantity over quality is not a great way to do content marketing. Creating more content leads to reducing the quality of content, and that is not worthy at all. So always aim to create a well-researched piece of content instead of 10 content pieces. Till now we have covered most of the myths, yet we have not talked about money. But it is this critical part of every type of marketing. So how can we miss it? Don't worry, there is a myth related to budget or money as well. The myths are quite contradictory, like the two opposite myths exist in the same market, and I don't know how. The first one is that content marketing is costly, and the other one that you don't need to hire a professional. Let's talk about the first one. Content marketing can be expensive and it can also be cheap, so there is no decided cost bar. However, content marketing requires investment if you want to generate a good profit from it. But that too is not the initial stage. Now let's talk about the second one. See, people do content marketing to get good results like receiving leads and driving traffic, but not every person can have the skills to do that. So like any other form of marketing, including social media, well, sorry to burst your bubble, you will have to pay for it and make it work on a large scale. So that's it for today. In this video, I tried to cover the most common myths related to content marketing, but this field is still new and continuously growing. Hence, covering all the myths is a little hard. The best tip to not get fooled is that when you get advice about content marketing, it's best to check and ensure if it's valuable advice or, well, just a myth. Also, don't forget to comment below what content marketing myths you've heard. By the way, if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.